Appendix for Protestant Bible until about 1826.
Yes.
And then they were removed altogether.
What? Yaw. Sansam na oyi
mosubiem.
En fa na oyi free Bible mu no. Ebi nie. Fa na apocrypha. Na yaw. Me ma wakan bibi wo ha sei.
Okay.
Eye Solomon nyansa otro ya abofo no amfa nkan Bible no. Se me boa dia se Solomon se wankasa ye dia ya woje ebi ni Ecclesiasticus maybe mama can know what say
yeah they read bia
yes I am
I say rescue the downtrodden from the oppressor
obi a oni boafo why mo bo da form no peja no efiri ohiam
and be firm when giving a verdict.
So
be a father to orphans.
What? Yeah, ma mobrofo.
And like a husband to their mother.
What?
Then the Most High will call you his son.
Osoro hene be ya woni ba. Where book I say we for Bible mu.
Nka nwie na nwie ntama apostle.
There be yaw.
Say the bia so abrofo me be ya doye. Monye kakra no we trauma shim. So what do we see?
Oh yes, see.
We
yes, see.
Then the Most High will call you his son.
Yeah.
And his love for you will be greater than a mother's.
Yeah, we yet me fi Bible mu.
That be.
Yet me we say every Bible mu. Asamo ama abrabo okọ anim. Kofi anan na onya nwuye no. Eda otumfo man obusumuru ni week it interview bi. O say book aya a guide no. The book of Apocrypha. Kofi anan yo. Martin Luther. Bronio. We yi atwatwene. Ubi say Christopher asafo no a o say na ehun hie nti na Roma fo no amfa nka Bible no ho ehun hie de yankobo de ka ho but Roma Bible no de ewom
na mo so say atwere nyina afiri obo ade honhom.
Thank you.
Ye bi mfim na fa bi nka.
Thank you.
Nti ade ade ntra mo de mo yi bi frim.
Yaw me say na ye wo so Bible no anu ne enti yaw asem we say Bible no ye yi frim.
Dabi.
Thank you. Daddy we are no that to nchen.
Okay.
O say
Samuel hono.
Me at 40 I say books now Martin Luther ototwere ye no ebi mu sab na kenkan no. Asere
Ofi
yawe
abrabo mu no.
Life. Yawe enti na hia Africa for no
I say when you make a friend.
How to make a friend?
Begin by testing him.
What?
And be in no hurry to trust him.
Your father and for keke.
Yansa some no can know. Shaze sa wo so na hwe.
Woman for you wo say.
Sa wo gina di.
Atwatwere. Na e ka sa say onante poso. Obi the for na ayafo. Wo ka say mo say ya wo there.
Was it some friends are loyal when it suits them?
Tie, Yesu moja. Na no asensuo. Yesu moja, not that hold them. Oh madam. I'm not mad.
Yesu moja horo na.
Yesu moja. So I dey kwa we nsuo.
Wadane ni Yesu moja. Spiritually Yesu moja.
Look at this wisdom. So what father for? Man pray on father for. Na adamfo bi di ewu. So the hansa. We Bible yaw ye firi mu. Ye say ehun hia. To so e.
I say some friends I say some friends are loyal when it suits them, but desert you when in time of trouble.
What?
Some friends turn into enemies and shame you by making the quarrel public.
Yes.
Another sits at your table, but is nowhere to be found in time of trouble. When you are prosperous, he will be your second self and make free with your servant. But if you come down in the world, and you will not see him again.
That's it. Where a book
your enemies
yes where yaw
and men will time for
time until ubu baby yaw was soon. I say, hey, who na Bible ye yes Bible no mu.
To be prebiator obesi de
yaw e kire obenya biato. Na me wie o.
On frère 02.
Wo mu wie ye no tie me. Wo mu wie ye no. Ana wo beka say I don't know books no.
Baby 100% come ton ade kakra o. Over charge me ko dey charge me ko.
So wo na e me yesika o.
How dey charge me ko me ma 5 minutes account na me fa 5 in ton ade.
yaw afi dia books no Roman for say here the books no fi Jerusalem e bia ba eti book a here pɛ no ena e be ka books a e be combine no ho nti o mo to aba na mo to ye no e wa ha say
oh wiem
yes
mento aso nkan na me na ne achi
we dia Adate
ye yanko
yes
okay
but no makero
me fan free for the first 300 years of Christianity.
For the first 300 years of Christianity,
there was no Bible as we know it today.
Watch it. And today your question is say, na a book no me sorry.
Okay, I don't see another question.
Before 300 years of Christianity, no Bible will say no more kind.
Okay. Also, for the first 300 years of Christianity, there was no Bible as we know it today. Christians had the Old Testament Septuagint.
Septuagint no Greek for no.
Okay.
Study Hebrew no. No more sure the Old Testament no called the Septuagint.
Okay.
Or call Bible school no LXX.
Okay.
The Septuagint.
LSS.
Yes.
Okay.
Septuagint. Greek for almost study Hebrew. No more sure Hebrew Bible no. At the bar Greek mu. Septuagint. Asa.
And literally hundreds of other books from which to choose.
What?
The Catholic Church.
Yo, what's 100 books? It means a books no. Na aya more pa.
Yes.
Some of the selections. Why?
The Catholic Church realized earlier on that she had to decide which of these books were inspired and which ones weren't.
The first one I want people journey.
Okay.
Catholic for no. All the books will go on no. The ever boa. No make some no. Aya kama. And the ehu here.
I see the debate ran between theologians, bishops, and church fathers.
What?
For several centuries as to which books were inspired and which ones weren't.
The other book no know your prophet oh.
Okay.
So Isaiah or Isaiah.
Okay.
Where we go. And bishop, clergy, and about selection no. Our books no.
Okay. I see in the meantime, several church council or synods were convened to deal with the matter, notably Rome in 382, Hippo in 393, and Carthage in 397.
You can say Carthage, and then Tunisia from what?
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. And 419.
How the million start time no 419. How they pay?
The debate sometimes became bitter.
Bible no
on both
sides. And debate ho no. Eto ho aba. Bible no. Aya adifo nwoma mo Hebrew fo mo no gya na ho no. Enne Gentiles no eto ho aba. Ntine se wo se obi kwa Bible no se so odisoni a. Afiro wo se shame book we ne dia. Because 300 before Christianity no. Now there was nothing called Bible.
Okay.
Ya bo see her.
Right. Abuza for me so
no what one dey.
Ah, meto ade
bi akra.
Yeah.
No we jam papa.
Because so aba.
Sa otun ade bra.
Abuza for me because I can say Wake Up Africa Juma dey na guso ahwere na asama da dwa ibobo ho na the Bible. The kingdom message and then the Christian message. No hon komo ana yedie no. Ofa Israel no ate se wa hyase acheche no na me quick one mento ade kakra mfa ma on. Ene adro ba kwa badwa so a mema edi asema ma ye pa no edi a amansa nyina de fe na odinga mama. Na no ka odinga na mra na ndi bebre ene ofa Israel bit pama de ofa sisi odinga ndene so president kai mama o isi odinga na fofra be so ni nyina na se o be ma na se biota frache o tedue ma emre eye ahuna bobrim kwaku donsuro gidigidi manpower na ntimi nyina na so a aduro nyina nka dem na nka eye odinga mama nko a eno ne aduro awono mu a eboa emane ma nyina timi koye de ma na aduro de bia ye ka odinga manpower powder no eye aduro bia ne no nya den Abrante u pia ropa betima saka krache kire no wadi bne shobutom na woko nyina no na wo sawe eno ne friend ever ready just wa charge data enti ba bia na e be from match bia no utimi boje 3 points o se match bu akwa na nim so bebo ohun to ko na beto eno no pawum kekra ko nka na ase no na so odinga man power pa the friend say odinga mama no dia se kwaku Francis ene judge mframa mfabo ebidi ho adanse a kyerɛw eboa memen papa nso saka bia obetimi de agu kokomu adi obetimi de agu eye nkwan mu no adi ana se de meka no bewe no raw se de yakɔ sie kwagu Francis awe ne de no enya sa so abomoden so be pensa bia no ɔden kakra na de ahye bo sa fe bema ye joyoyo sa edura no pa ba no beka je se miwura wo de kwa adwuma me amehwe nkwara no age se ehye pa ma onsanka odinga man power pa de friends odinga mama na bibia nkonkan ma na sa odinga eye Israel heba system anase herbal productive system o me na dia badwa so na enu twam wo se me kan twa se ba kwa friend millennium happytamen powder sa millennium happytamen powder yi na ye dra amansa nyina agya tumi se obi a wo mujamro so friend se pressure e kan se tension no se wunya bi enomo a me pa cho e bebre na se na finga krakra no atu ahye dia ma wo e bia pressure no wa ko hospital bi enu anko ye dro bia ni wa ye mfa nkan wo na so di gira ne gira modo na ba eno eni millennium happytamen powder eye odinga busuafo no omo na de sadu abadwa so endi se odinga edi mema nsem de ma omo de a edi enti na enji unji ntum se sa adroi ebetumi atu eye hypertension no ase de ma bomode ma nsantumi nka bi na afi moja proso ni nyina no ehu na engane de to so biem ye obaako eno so efe na eye millennium stroke powder na sa millennium stroke powder ene edro baako a obi onu bibia gitum se ampa oye obi a ananse eta achechewo onsa no na etutiti ameka me se ananse etimi chini pada sani brana mpabo ehye no ne na ayi afrim na stra oguso ko ohun se ayi afrim enya kra bomodin ama onsa entumi nkambi onsa bo sa etutiti utras kakra bi na na agena ojo huma bi enja bomodin ma onsa entumi nkam millennium stroke powder entutu sa wo hawo ni nyina so nyesa kakra kra no na wo stroke mu ano no na me no kasa ye e bia na nse so study pa oho awa no etimi chia kakra oho na sa onsa nifa no na adwojo kakra oho abenkum na adwojo kakra stroke na ebo nkae no entwe mane nka wonto dem me ma bi kan asem was provision is better than cure prevention is better than cure also no provision is better than cures bomodia sa won sabetuma ka millennium stroke powder ni bi shasia no no nkakra kraba me na face a won sa no na etititi ni nyina na enyimfiri ho wano asabi ho na chia kakra won sabo so ho adwojo kakra no na ni nyina enyimfiri okra ansa na stroke rankasa akwato na so me no kasa ye no ebiana stroke na do mutin awie dada me pa cho enka achi mansan ka millennium stroke powder ibi na sha asese wo nom according to indications e ho na se dosage wo no bo se kakra na acha abosome mi no stroke no nyina no ebedwane ama ho atumi atɔ weni ndo ahodo aka ana eye millennium eye Israel Herbal Productive Center omodi abadwa so na de etwato no apomden herbal brew hey Drama for boro toto si boy saba boboni aso bo asaka sa do we di we friend tibi wiamu wanu muto na se ontumi ne de we bibi kakra bi no aibo the friend say fatigue no why mra bomode man santumi nka pomze herbal brew we bi ebesiesio papa didie so de obedi ama wa be fili trebien we oba na akọ afikire ewie a edro ba akọ so tuminya enom na tumi tibi wie no eno ne apomde herbal brew sanro we nyina no eye Israel Herbal Productive Center wa madaroma ene odwa so ntupe bi ata oba frɛ odinga bushia na 0241 220300 0241 220300 saka number yi nanya frese na no numdro ni bia boza pomde no ebe fa ne ntoma papa afra abusia for sabre ya ye coronavirus era idea ade ba ko amnim se dipa bia so bomode na wo ye ne se immune system no asoja for no mu no obetumi boost no se sa soja for no ye den yare bia enka dem eno an se corona ne bo show sa na obu ani kie dwe ono de mirika ko buzan koro na ade no nwura brai mana system mo se hwe soja for no ma twom pia gina ho na aduro na betuma ma soja for no ho ayede no atwom pia de agina na corona hu a wadwane no ene Hepa Plus eye duro a eye herbal wo mo ene de abadwa so na Dr. Eben se men kan cho se Hepa Plus yi no eye duro bia ro brebuo man kasa edi so no bia brebuo yare bia ni ho a eno de obetumi anya bi yenye mse hepatitis eya ne gira brebo mu pa nanso so no Hepa Plus a enam se cleanse obrebo no liver ne mu nyina mountain no enya de se eya hepatitis no ebetumi abo abrabo mu se hepatitis A o hepatitis B o hepatitis C o mu nyina mo ngala we na ehrohro obrebo na e boost immune system no na eboa ama opom de no asipi asita na ade ba ko amba ne di ho adanse pa Hepa Plus no se wo yo ba na o problem e wo fiti ko ho a bomadia so be sha se ahwe Hepa Plus e cha kwan because one more obahwe ono a onyimo enso be bosom miensa bosom na bosom nsia na na fiti ko no emma onhuni moja anim no omunyina di adanse se bro mo hyase so mo hepa plus no afi eniema hyase esane won so de aba entwa anase eba na otwe na eba na nsa na agai na anu na agai ehwa na atwa mu no munyina mo hepa plus e be hyehyɛ kama ene Ghana ma be 80% youth no omofu adobodobo enso mo nyanyam nom hepa plus na ensane nyama no afu no entumi entwe mawo na omo de pavian plasma osabadwa so a eno malaria do tatahwe ebri bia meka kire omo se wonya hu se ho ye dodododo na akwa yaresa bia ne ahwe mogya me hu se malaria parasite na awura mu a bomode so ba man saka adu friend se pavi no ni ekokọ ana plasma so no ensusu ni se mobo se de nkola na enim kales no beka se violet susu edunya pavi and plasma so no na hwibo wo hwe ni mienu bomu a malaria no away bedwane afiri paduan mu kra edu pe hepa plus pavi and plasma so ata fe ebanig herbal ewo aye 0542 77 8572 0542 778572 number no ene da TV no so no ofa na Fred Dr. Ebena ndoi no onsa ebetumi akabi ofa
yo enunti ena ene no Bible no obi a how of so no die mu edefa it sounds say the original versions nankasa no Romafo edisi
okay
especially the New Testament in the enyekura
okay
na baby odu ye na baby a na omo etutuntu omo beto abana so yi book na e papa no hana odu ye
tientraso
thank you
right here for 19 no was it the debate sometimes became bitter
debates
on both sides
thank you
one of the most famous was between Saint Jerome who felt the 7 books were not canonical
what
and Saint Augustine who said they were Protestants
ya no books na Martin Luther okoyi no otugu ye no Romafo ye say 7 bio enyekura ebizo say eye pa entina akwese debatable enye twade aha say na obekan book ra enye no ya obekan ha say se enya na fe hu say enye
yes enye canonical nti ato atwene no
ya to atwene no
enye bekan
thank you
say o sanke to twene
thank you
ana say o sanke sheho
thank you
okay yam famre
hwa say uwi ahwa ma me
mate mehwa ma
book ra enye no
or say and where no help is at hand.
No, ever. Thank you.
Never discuss your plans with a fool.
What? Many kwasiam for drink.
For he cannot keep a secret.
O jime for. Many kwasiam for drink. Otu for WhatsApp FNC.
Do nothing private in the presence of a stranger.
What?
You do not know what.
And look to the Hebrew for. I don't say Jew for nafa. Say Jew ni business ah. This all ni yanku Jew ni. Na ye adwuma. Fa me boa. E Hebrew for life no.
Okay.
Before Jew ni sika, be tra Jew for ho akọ ekose for nche no. Na fa Jew for nsem be 20. To me rich. Omo ye secretive. Omo ye one love.
Do nothing private in the presence of a stranger. You do not know what use he will make of it.
Thank you.
Do not tell what is in your mind to all corners or accept favors from them.
What?
Yaba from here. Never sit at a table with another man's wife.
Mario.
Or join her in a drinking party.
Asa fo fo for yire. Unka se mo si. E Hebrew fo ngoma. Many obeyere entra pro hoda. Tell me.
And that's all for no. Not the ya don't toil. Not the sra obeyere.
For that for no wa. Enya wo yiro.
Sanity.
That's our policy. Open the chile me.
What na grade any so no.
Bibi wo. Bibi wo time nti no. O say mama obu mfu wo seda.
Okay.
Ebra o ti ase.
Yansa sempa.
Papa, kan ku aku. Papa ye no bebre ye ti yawo. So one fine channel na wa no a bi na hona oyi di no hona wo.
Okay.
Me tia for yawo. And then papa madam for.
Okay.
Chance na bi.
And then also you're rich.
Amami. Yawo. Book way. Roman for say enye na so ko o Bible mu di a ewom.
Tell now.
Omo say enye ma Protestants. Roman ni enka ho Anglican Methodist awoyo me go for How are you? MDCC. Duncan Williams mo. Omden ye enyema wo mo. Na mo no mo for de eye pa ya ebi no.
Okay.
Entino yaw. Minwie na o. Minwie na suku na wiki kwa so minyan kɔhwe. Entino buku yaw omo to so aba.
Ye tweso ntonto.
Bible. Kwai.
Ya duru he kra. Or say who said they were okay. Protestants who write about this will invariably